Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your graphic design skills with Sketch, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Sketch and create a new document. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the toolbar at the top of the screen. Identify key tools like the rectangle, oval, and pen tools. Select the rectangle tool to create your first shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the rectangle. Change the rectangle's fill color using the inspector panel on the right. Experiment with the stroke settings to add outlines. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar. Click on the canvas and type a short phrase, like "Hello, Sketch." Adjust the font style and size in the inspector panel. Use layers to organize your graphics. Find the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Rename layers by double-clicking on the layer names. Select multiple layers by holding down the Shift key. Group layers together for easier management. Use the alignment tools to center your graphics. Explore the Effects panel to add shadows or blurs. Export your design by going to the File menu. Select Export and choose your preferred format. Save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. Review your design, making any final adjustments. Close the document and feel free to start a new project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.